Hello everyone, welcome to Airkey Factory. This is May. I'm so excited to introduce our newly completed modular cleanroom. This is the cleanroom we're gonna introduce. This cleanroom will be exported to Thailand for laboratory research. The construction of the cleanroom consists of aluminum frames and sandwich panels. We can see there are two rooms and two different kind of panels. This one is the normal sandwich panel with galvanized sheet surface, and this one is stainless steel 304 surface. There are two rooms. The first room accessed through an automatic sliding door. It's a positive clean room with ISO 7 clean class. And here is the control panel, which allows us to control the lighting and FFU speed. We can control the lighting on and off, and the fan speed on and off. Adjust the speed up and down. And you will see the pressure gauge. The pressure value increased to 5 to 10 Pa. You may have noticed these two corners, which were designed to avoid the columns in customer sites. Additionally, the client asked for a separate air conditioning system to control the temperature inside of the clean room. Therefore, we have reserved some openings for ceiling cassette AC units. Connected by another automatic sliding door, the second room features stainless steel surface walls as requested by the clients, as they require frequent wall cleaning. We can see all the wall surface of this clean room is stainless steel. Another special design is that this room maintains negative pressure because the client's experimental process may release some harmful gases, so it's necessary to prevent any gas leakage. That's why we make it negative pressure. For convenient electrical connection, we have provided both single-phase 220 volts and three-phase sockets as requested. Regarding the installation, we prefabricate all the clean room materials and assemble the clean room for functional test before shipment. We will also attach product labels on every component to ensure on-site installation and operation. Okay, that's a rough introduction about this clean room. Airkey provides custom-designed modular clean room. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us. That's all for today. See you next time.